Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to make a South Indian special dosa. For this recipe, we'll take half kg washed mutton and add turmeric and salt and pressure cook it in a cooker for about 20 minutes. Once it's done, we can start making our mutton chukka. Mutton chukka is nothing but dry mutton recipe. So for that we'll take a kadai and put 2 to 3 tablespoons of coconut oil. Coconut oil really adds flavor to our masala. And then we'll add a cup of onion. You can add how much of an onion you want. It's up to you. You can add salt at this point in order to cook our onion. We'll just give it a stir. Once the onion is golden brown, we'll add a tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. We'll be frying it till the raw smell from garlic and ginger is gone. So after that, we can add curry leaves. You can add any amount of curry leaves, it just adds a good flavor. Now I'm going to add red chili powder or crushed red chili and give it a stir. Now I'm going to add 1 cup of tomatoes. These tomatoes I have de-seeded it. That means I've removed the seed from the tomato and then just chopped it up. You can add it just as it is. It's up to you. Just give it a stir. If it's taking very long, you can also use a masher and just mash it. This will help in bringing the tomato flavor even more. It has very good results. So my mixture looks very mushy and it looks really good. At this point, I'll be adding ready-made mutton masala. You can add any curry masala. Now I'm going to add 1 teaspoon turmeric. After giving it a stir, it's time to put our pressure cooked mutton into the gravy. Give it a mix so that all the flavors get into mutton. You can mix like this for around 2 minutes and then it will be done. Also, during this process, if you want to add salt or extra chili powder, you can do it. And then turn off the flame. So our mutton chukka will be ready. So it's time, everything is ready, let's make curry dosa. We have a batter and some mixing for the egg. So this is one method. You can just make a normal omelette kind of a mixture. So I'll be first taking egg, add some green chili, onion, curry leaves, salt and pepper. So all this is optional, we just need egg. But in order to make our dosa more crunchy, you can make this mixture. We'll just beat the egg and keep it aside. So now we'll take our dosa batter and make a thick dosa. Here I'm putting little coconut oil. And now we'll take that egg mixture and put it over it. You can just spread it over the dosa. Don't worry that the egg mixture is mixing with the dosa batter because we are anyway going to flip the dosa. So now I'll go to my mutton chukka, take a little bit in my hand and put it over the dosa. So here I have it. I'll just put it over the egg mixture, the dosa. So this is how it's done. You can add any amount of mutton chukka. It's just up to you. How much ever you add, it will be more tasty. So after this, we'll close the tawa with a lid, let it cook for some time. Now it's time to flip a dosa. So before that, I'll drizzle a little oil. So now I'm going to take my dosa and just flip it. It will take some time, but be careful with it. So I've flipped it really well. So now after flipping it also, if you want to add little oil, you can add it. So here comes a second flip, and here it is. Your curry dosa is ready. You can serve it on the plate and have it as it is, or you can serve it with coconut chutney or any tomato korma. Do try this recipe at home and let me know in the comments below.